and two fins. Big eyes, a big gray nose, long whiskers, and two big hands.
It lives in water and ice in the Arctic Ocean. It's carnivore, it eats fish. It swims and runs, but it doesn't fly or climb. It has babies.
The panda bear. The panda bear is a mammal. It's big and it's color black and white. It's got 4 legs, small eyes, a small black nose, round ears, and a fluffy tail. It lives in the forest in China. It herbivores. It bamboo branches. It walks and runs, but it doesn't fly or swim. It has babies.
The chameleon is a reptile. It's small and it's color green, but it can change its color. It's got 4 legs, big eyes, small nose, long tail and scales.
It lives in trees in the jungle. It eats insects. It's carnivore. It's a predator. It climbs trees. It doesn't fly, swim, or run. It lays eggs. The dolphin is a mammal. It's big, long, and it's gray. It's got fins, a long mouth, and a small hole on its back for breathing. A smooth skin. It lives in water in the sea. It eats fish and sea plants. It's omnivorous. It swims very fast. It doesn't run, climb, or fly. It has babies. It's not dangerous. The penguin is a bird. It's not very big. It's got 2 fins, 2 legs, and a big, small eyes and a small tail. It lives on land and in water in the North Pole. It eats fish. It's a predator. It walks, swims, but it doesn't fly. It lays eggs. The cheetah is a felid. It's big and long. It's color yellow with black spots. It's got 4 legs, small eyes, a small black nose, round ears, and long tail. It lives on land in Africa. It's carnivore. It eats meat. It runs very fast and climbs trees, but it doesn't swim or fly. It has babies. The zebra is a mammal. It's big and it's got black and white stripes. It's got 4 legs, small eyes, and big nose. It's got small whiskers and lots of fur. It lives on land, in grassland in Africa. It eats grass and leaves. It's herbivorous and it isn't a predator. It runs very fast. It doesn't fly, swim, or climb. It has babies. The tiger is a mammal. It's orange, black, and white. It's got 4 legs, a big nose, long whiskers, a big fangs, big teeth, and lots of fur. It lives in the jungle.
It eats other animals. It's a predator. It swims, runs very fast, and climbs trees. But it doesn't fly. It has babies.
The elephant is a mammal. It is big and gray. It's got 4 legs, big eyes, a short tail, and very big fangs and very big ears. It lives on land. It eats plants and leaves and eats herbivorous. It swims. It doesn't fly or climb. It has babies. The lion is a mammal. It is big. Its color brown and it's very dangerous. It's got 4 legs, big eyes, a big nose. It's long of hair, long whiskers and long tail.
It lives in the jungle and in the grasslands. It's a predator. It meat and other animals. It runs very fast, but it doesn't fly or swim. It's like this.
Tiger is a bear. It's big and it's brown and white. It's got 2 legs, small eyes, 2 wings and a beak. It lives in the mountains. It eats meat and the other animals like snakes.
It predators eat plant, but it doesn't run. It lays eggs. The polar bear is a mammal. It's big and white. It's got 4 legs, big, small eyes, big nose, short tail and big teeth. It lives on land and on ice.
It eats meat and fish. It's a predator and it's omnivore. It's a predator. It swims and runs. It doesn't fly. It's on babies. The panther is a mammal. It is big and color black. It's got 4 legs and small eyes, a small nose and long tail, and long whiskers. I big fangs and smooth skin. I live on land.
It eats meat and other animals. It's a carnivorous. It's a predator. It runs very fast. I climb trees. It doesn't fly or swim. It has babies.
The killer whale is a mammal. It's very big and it's color black and white. It hasn't got any legs, but it's got big eyes and a big tail. It lives in water. It's carnivorous. It eats fish and seals. It swims, but it doesn't run, climb or fly. It has babies.
The crocodile is a reptile. It's very big and it's color green. It's got 4 legs, small eyes, a big nose, a long tail, and a very big mouth full of sharp teeth.
It lives in water and on land, in Africa and in America. It's carnivorous. It eats other animals. It's a predator. It swims and runs, but it doesn't fly or climb. It lays eggs. It's very dangerous.
The snake is a reptile. It's long and it hasn't got any legs. It's got 2 small eyes and it's got a long tongue. It lives in land in the forest. It eats meat and other animals. It's carnivore and a predator. It crawls, but it doesn't run, fly, or jump. It's very dangerous. It lays eggs.
The turtle is a reptile. It's big or small. It's green and brown. It's a 4 legs, a small eyes and a small nose, a long tail and a hard shell.
It lives in water or land. It eats fish It's carnivorous. It swims, but doesn't run, flee, or climb. It lays eggs.
The monkey is a mammal. It's not very big. It's color brown. It's got 4 legs, small eyes, a normal nose, a long tail, lot of hair, and a big teeth.
It lives in trees and in the jungle. It eats fruits and plants. It's herbivorous. It isn't a predator. It climbs trees. It doesn't fly, swim, or run. It has babies. The leopard is a feline. It's black and orange. Has got 4 legs, big eyes, small nose, and pointy ears.
It lives in Africa. It's a predator. It eats meat. It runs very fast. It don't fly. It has baby. The shark is a fish. It's big and hasn't got any legs. It's got a small eyes, a small nose, and a long tail and fins. It lives in water. It's carnivore. It eats fish. It's a predator. It swims. It doesn't run, climb, or fly. It has babies and it lays eggs.